What's going on, everybody? This is the video for the Funding Talent Challenge. I'm making this video to kind of help anyone that's kind of, if they haven't been through the challenge, you know what I'm saying, what it is that that you'll actually be going through. So I'm going to be going over that with y'all. So this is what the account is right here. I didn't go through my trading plan for these couple losses right here, but we made just about half of that back. See, I'm still in the parameters and everything and stuff like that. So in this video, what I'm gonna be showing you is, my trades and the trades that I took. I'm gonna be showing you all that. So, all right, this is on the 4 hour, right? Now I'm about to show you the exact trade I took. I'm gonna just go down to the 1 hour. So I end up taking a trade on GJ. Actually, I'm over here, and it wasn't actually this one. Just trying to make sure that this is it. Yeah, so this is it right here. So I took a long position right there, right? Trying to go up to it. Here we go. I took a long position up here, right? I had my target just about right here. And then I had my stop when this thing was going on right there. So just a little over a 1-to-1. I did want to go see it to go higher, but I see that we didn't take out the lows yet, so it was pretty risky. The problem with me though, after I made that initial win, and this is during this is during New York session when this happened, and I took another position right here as soon as it opened up. So as soon as this candle right here had closed, I took one in. And you can see that thing went all the way down. Now, it's my best guess with this though, right? If I am taking a position, this is part of my trading plan. It has to be somewhere where it did the initial push up. So I'm either, just wait until I get it all the way down to this price, we get the rejection and it goes up and it closes, or I'm waiting for the break and retest to come back to that level so we can go ahead and get in for whatever position it was. But clearly I didn't do that, and the fact is that I risked too much too. But this is the trade right here. I'm about to show y'all on the US 30. This is the trade that I took that made me over half that back. It was this one right here. I don't have it marked up here because the other ones, this one was a 1-to-1 too, but I broke it down to the 5 minute. It actually been a lot more, and it actually went up more than what it did. This is what I didn't want to do. It actually went up more than what it did, but then you just see immediately when it hit on the 4 hour resistance right here. It hit that, broke through, and then this wick all the way right back down on the 4 hour. Then we go to the 1 hour. It all went through. That's it. That's really all I got to show you guys. I'm going to do another video on if I end up taking a trade, for the challenge tomorrow. I'm seeing a couple stuff like right here. But it's Asian session, so it'd be a little risky for me. But I'm looking at this area right here. But I'm buying if I see a strong close, and that we took out, this liquidity right here. But I'm gonna go for NAS to show y'all where I'm at on this one. All right, after we went down this channel, we end up breaking into a range. You see it's just bouncing back and forth, back and forth. I would go more so with the buys because we're trying to see, you know, what these highs are talking about in this indices. So you always kind of want to buy more than you want to sell. But we still haven't came down here. But that's probably because the banks got their stops right there. But I seen stuff, but it wasn't enough for me to actually go ahead and place the trade and shit. All right, so we have pulled back all the way from this 4-hour demand zone. Then support was created from this push, and then we get more bullish activity along right here. So we know that the banks have put their positions all right here, and then we have another thing that's making it true is see all this imbalance, the spot where, you know, just investors can't get in and put in orders. So they're gonna have to fill that somewhere down the future, or you know, something short term. But right now I'm seeing a double top too, so I'm thinking in London session, matter of fact London and DJs, it might fall. But in order for me to take that trade, I gotta get to the yellow right here, which is this yellow demand zone on a smaller time frame right here. And then what's good about these two candles, and this would have been a good entry to get into if I had saw it. This is clearly bearish engulfing, and you see this wick all the way right here. It grabbed liquidity, pulled down, and then it never came back. Even right here where this 30-minute bullish candle comes up, drops back down, and then we have this more momentum to the downside. But I'm not going to take a trade until it gets into this zone or we find new support. Now I'm going to be done with this video. I'm going to be making another video, like I said, on the challenge and where I'm at and where I'm going on to it. If y'all want to know the broker I use for my live accounts, it's down in the description below. Go ahead and check that out if y'all interested. Yeah, that's it. But if you like the video, make sure you leave a like, and I'll see y'all in the next video.